All right, we've got Dave Ramsey content. Dave Ramsey, the arch nemesis of every real estate investor that's ever lived. Let's see what Dave's got to say.
Rich people ask how much. Broke people ask how much down and how much a month.
Dave Ramsey. So I disagree with this. Now, sometimes broke people ask how much, and sometimes rich people ask how much down and how much per month. Most billionaires leverage other people's money in order to get to that billionaire status. Being able to leverage is something that's really smart if done correctly. For example, if there is a property that's value, its worth is $500,000, and someone's saying, look, I'm selling this for $1 million. Well, that answers the question of how much. However, if I can talk to that person about terms, well, it's $0 down and I'll give you a 300-year loan and you've got to pay me about $1,000 per month for 300 years. I would take that, I would cash flow the hell out of that property and make a ton more money buying it smart by asking how much down and how much per month. Dave Ramsey does not take into consideration intelligent leverage. When he's saying this, that is not a one-size-fits-all quote. I give that 2 thumbs down. Talk to you soon. Happy investing.